Burt.
Where's Burt? You got an itchy itch? No? You're so silly. You're so silly. I got it. That's my scratcher. That's my scratcher. What are you going to do with my scratcher? Huh? What are you doing with my scratcher? I need that. I can't reach my back. Give me that. Give me that. Silly girl. Silly girl. That's my scratcher. Boom, 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 boom. What are you, silly girl? Are you a silly girl? Are you trying to get my scratcher? Is that fun? Is that intriguing to you? Huh? Yeah? Where'd it go? Scratch my back. Did you talk taco? Is that what you said?
Taco.
Why? Where are you going? City girl.
Go outside.
Who's going outside? You missed it. You want my scratcher? What was that? What was that? Really? You play with this more than you play with any of your toys. Yeah? What was that? Huh? Really? Uh-oh. What'd you hear? Louis. I see you. It's my pretty bird. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? You want my scratcher? Yeah? Where'd it go? Huh? Can scratch your itchy itch. Ooh. What's Uncle Burt doing? He's sleeping. Oh, he looks so cute sleeping. Look at that little face. It's a cute little face. He's got his nice sweater on from Gina. Oh, look at that. We gotta get your sweaters broken out, your Christmas sweaters. You wanna wear a Christmas sweater? Huh? Or you wanna chew on my back scratcher? You want it? Or are you done with it? Huh? Yeah? No more? No more? Look, I can grab your door. I can grab your door. See? Isn't that impressive? It's got a little hand. You can grab your door. Ooh-wee. Now I know what I can do with it. You're funny, Lewis. You're funny. I love you. Here's my pretty bird. Huh? Come here. Come here. Where are you going? See, it can bring you closer to me. Pretty good, huh? I'm trying to grab your chair. Or your chair. I can't even talk. Your door. It's your door. It's your door. Ooh-wee. Ooh-doo-doo-doo. What else do you want? Really? I had no idea. Where are you going? Really? I hear ya. Ooh. You gonna come forward again? Ooh, you're trying to toss it, but I got the other end. What about this end? What about that end? Are you headbutting it? Oh, where'd it go? You knocked it on the floor. You knocked it on the floor. Look what I found. Which end do you want? You want this end? You want that one? Ooh! What'd you do? Did you drop it? You want the hand back? It's not a gun. Are you trying to shoot it? Hi! Hi! You want to wave again? Hi! Hi! You almost did it again. There you go. Hi! 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 Oh, I love you, Lewis. I love you! I love you. Hi! It's a hand. You want to give it 5? Really? You're going to shoot it again? Hi! Hi! Are you done playing with it? Ugh! Could have warned me. You could have warned me. Lewis, where are you going? Are you done? You want something to chew on? So, some good cardboard? Here. There you go. Oh, now you're gonna go look out there. Grandma's not out there. Grandma's in the bedroom. Are we done playing? Huh? What's the plan, Louis? I got your cardboard. Look at that. What do you think? What do you think, baby? Where's my kisses? Louis. She's like, I'm busy. I think I want to figure out how to fly out of here. All right.